You know, when you really Washington's landing on Herrera's Island. What an important place to be here. What a joy to see the island. One time the watermills by a Swiss Mennonite. Hello. Part of the Three River Trails, the viewpoint. It's just there. Oh, look at this. There's the strip just there. Road strip. On the strip. The strip has been stripped out, complete. Put some condominiums. Condos, not condominiums. Put some condos for people to, it's almost like condominiums, like pigs. No, pigs in blanket, no. That's the term that you use here for some kind of food. Is that coming from England or part of the Polish staple diet? So if you're on the Three River Trail around Pittsburgh, not Harrisburg, that's the state capital, Pittsburgh, come along here. Look at this iron bridge linking onto the food trail, linking onto the Harris Trail lookout point, which is just there. Oh, sure, what's up? What a place to explore, right? Cross that bridge. When you cross that bridge, you get around the Three River Trail. And once you come through the Three River Trail, that's the 16th bridge, which I'll probably not cross. I'll carry on. Wow. What a delight. I'm the only one on the trail for some reason. Yeah. That's the view post. Pittsburgh skyline, just at the far end. It's really nice thing to observe from this point vantage. I'm on the Herrera Trail, Herrera Island, Washington's Landing. Strip all the way from the 16th bridge to the 31st. Industrial wharfs, terminals for food and goods.